Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing this slime game. Already I'm like really good at it, because I'll show you all my slimes. And multiple, I've made a lot, so I'm not going to say them. You can, well, you won't have to pause the video, but yeah, you just look. I made lots of different of those monsters. Oh, I forgot I made that poo slime. Human brain.
Right, let's go Fatty. Okay, Fatty Bum Bum.
And then, with this classic slime I've done, I nearly did every single one. I just need to get that one. Oh, I will be able to get the... No. I need to play with one of... I'll play with this slime. I need to turn this up so you can hear the slime.
Hey, phone, Shirl.
Oh, great. I messed that up, didn't I? I definitely messed that up.
Gone well.
Okay.
Still a bit blurred,
this.
So
Okay.
Let you know how it is in the morning, and then we'll let you know.
Guys, what do you think?
Who's coming, so I know.
Let's see if you get it right, guys. I'm gonna pick red.
You know the fucking boys are coming, you idiot. Go.
Okay. Let's see, guys, if I got it right. Oh, guys, I might not have got it right. And I don't even know why I'm saying I don't know, because I literally... Yes, I got it right, guys! So, guys, if you picked red, you got it right. If you picked blue, you got it wrong. Told you, Manchester United is the best. Do it. Okay, this is the same one. Picking red. Oh. This is a 50-50 chance, because I've... Stay, bro. Stay me to become a fatty. And I'm gonna make another Roblox video after this if I need to do some space. I knew it, guys. I knew it. Do you know how I knew it? Do you know how I knew it?
Because Right, I'm gonna go and get a call on the cob joke.
Guys. I'm gonna
put shake yourself.
Yeah, I just had technical difficulties there.
Where's that bag gone that I had down here?
Oh yeah, listen to that. Wait, let me get my crunchy slime. Where is it? I'm not here. The slime is not here. Oh my god. It should be here. Shrek's poo. I'll do that one after I do the one I need to thingy. What? Don't know what I'm saying now. Where is it? I must have went past it. I went past it, didn't I, guys? Oh my god. What was it again? Yeah, crunchy slime. Here we go. Listen to this. Okay, I'm going to show you my donkey then Shrek. Okay, let me show you. Where's Shrek's poo? Here it is. Shrek's poo.
New haircut. Charming. Isn't charming, Pam?
What? I know, she always does that weird face every time you ask her a question. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Let me know, down there.
What are you looking at me like that for? Green monster, my favourite monster. Human brain.
Can you see the little thing?
White ads. Oh, rip banana squishy. I can see. Oh yeah, I got it.
Right, okay.
Oh, listen to this. Oh yeah, this is the best. No, don't! I'm making a video. Oh yeah, listen to this. Oh yeah, listen to this. I'm gonna make a slime in this video. What this? A channel. The channel ain't even on. Okay. Which slime? Bubbly's one of the new ones, so obviously I'm gonna do it. It took me 24 hours to get this baby slime, and at 9 o'clock I'm gonna make a video of this same video but showing you the crunchy slime. I'm gonna pick.
Well, where did you have the dog?
If it's bubbly, what's the closest colour to bubble? Like white, because that's what bubbles look like. Yeah. You know what I don't like about this game? Do you know when you blend in the colour, it already starts off blue, so it's not the best to white. I don't get that. Oh yeah. Can you see these stars and butterflies? Can't wait till I get the hearts, because I can make a slime for my sister and it'll be really good. You know the stars and butterflies? I unlocked them. I need to do like 24 hours stuff. What do bubbles have in them? Nothing, so I'll be clicking on. I'll do.
Oh, hang on.
I'm just gonna call them bubbles.
New Testament was from over there, wasn't it?
Why does this lagging? It's not even Roblox. There we go. Let's play my slime. Let's play with my slime. Play with my bubbles. Does this sound nicer than the crunchy slime I made? But when oh yes, I can finally finish classic mode. And I finished every single one in classic mode. Now I need to finish. Oh, that's so what? Okay, so and then Yuki, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to be grinding on cash. Yay! So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video. Bye. I'm making short videos for no reason, but yeah, bye.